Welcome to Gold Vision. In this video, we will show you how to get the most out of your Action Centre. Featuring one-click access between your recent history, to-do list, alerts, emails and calendar, keeping all of your important notifications in one place. Your Action Centre can be accessed through the bell icon, available in the top right of your Gold Vision. Your recent list is a useful history of where you have been in Gold Vision, enabling quick access to items that you've recently accessed. Your to-do list shows your open activities when their start date has been reached. You can choose to view all your to-do items in a list. From here, you can inline edit your activities and change the filter of the list. You can select individual items to work on, or complete them from within the Action Centre. You can also inline edit from this view, easy to use when you're managing your to-do list on a mobile or tablet. Alerts are reminders of when your activities are due and will show when a due reminder has been set. If an activity has not been completed by the due date and time, it will appear in the Action Centre. Reminders can be set on your activities when you create them. You can view all your alerts in a list format or open individual alerts to see the detail. From within the Action Centre, you can snooze your alerts, choosing hours, days or weeks. Or select OK to dismiss the alert. If you use mail tracking, email shows your email correspondence that has been tracked into Gold Vision for that day, including emails that you send and receive. Calendar shows all your appointments that you have scheduled. It will also show activities that have the Include on Calendar option ticked. View All opens your calendar in a month format. From here, you can open individual appointments and create new ones. From within the Action Centre, you can also open individual appointments. Jobs show the status of your bulk replace items, integration jobs which are in place, and bulk production, for instance, a letter using campaigns. The status will change from pending to complete. Your Action Centre can be pinned or unpinned so that you can choose whether to always show it on the screen. And that's how to get the most out of your Action Centre. Please click on the tiles to watch more of our videos. Thank you!